Hi dear friends, welcome to our channel The Kids EduZone. Today we are discussing the chapter Changes Wrought by Iron. The important points and answers for the questions from Let's Assess are given in this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel and share this channel to your friends also. Okay, let's see. In the beginning, we see a map of ancient India in which some rivers are marked. Which are the rivers marked in the given map? Yes, they are Indus, Chalam, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, Beas, and Ganga. These are the rivers marked in the given map. Okay. Here we have an important question to be discussed. What were the features of the people during the Rig Vedic period? The features of the people, life of people during the Rig Vedic period. Okay, let's see. Cattle rearing was a main occupation during the Rig Vedic period. People were also engaged in agriculture. The main crop was barley. The groups of Aryans who reared cattle were known as tribes, and the chieftain was known as Rajan. Battles were fought among different Aryan tribes as well as between the Aryans and the non-Aryans for the possession of cattle. With the help of horses and weapons made of copper and bronze, the Aryans conquered the non-Aryans and captured their cattle. The subjugated people were known as Dasas or Dasyus. Gods such as Indra, Varuna, and Agni, and goddesses like Aditi and Ushas were worshipped during the Rig Vedic period. Grey pottery, known as greyware, were used during this period. Okay, here we have another question. We have to compare the social life of the Rig Vedic period with that of the Harappan period based on their occupations and tools. How can we compare them based on these 2 points, their occupation and tools? Let's see. During the Harappan period, agriculture was a main occupation of the people. Brick making, vessel making, ornament making, cloth making, and trade were the other occupations. Tools made of copper and bronze were used during the Harappan period. During the Rig Vedic period, cattle rearing was a main occupation. People also engaged in agriculture. Their main crop was barley. They also used tools and weapons made of copper and bronze. Okay. Here, the next portion given is towards the Gangetic Plain. Here we have some points to be discussed. The first question is to write down your opinion on how far were the conditions in the Gangetic Plain favorable for agriculture. Yes, let's see. The Gangetic Plain was very fertile, which was suitable for agriculture. Heavy rainfall and the presence of river Ganga were also the favorable conditions for agriculture. The Gangetic Plain was rich in iron, so they could make strong and sharp weapons and implements. This also helped them in agriculture. Okay, let's see the next point. Here we have to discuss the changes in human life brought about by the invention of iron and iron implements. There is a similar question in the portion Let's Assess also. We can answer both the questions discussing the given points. Okay, let's see the answer. When they reached the Gangetic Plain, the Aryans had weapons and implements made of copper and bronze. But they needed harder metal to make more effective tools and implements, and they invented iron. The invention of iron helped them to make harder tools and weapons with which they could clear the jungles and till the hard soil. Thus, agriculture became more effective and their prime occupation. As agriculture became the main occupation, they began settled life. The increase of agricultural production also led to the exchange of surplus product. Thus, the invention of iron led to settled life and trade. Okay. Now we have a table. In the table, some features of the Rigvedic period and the later Vedic period are given. We have to identify the relevant period. Okay, let's see the first one. The first feature given here is agriculture became the chief occupation. In which period agriculture became the chief occupation? Yes, it is in later Vedic period. So that point is relevant to the later Vedic period. What's the next point? Yagas became prevalent. In which period yagas became prevalent? Yes, it was in later Vedic period. The third one, iron tools and implements were used. It was in later Vedic period. Okay, what's the next point? Cattle rearing was a main occupation. It was in Rigvedic period. In Rigvedic period, cattle rearing was a main occupation. Okay. What is the next point? Yes, began settled life. When did the people begin settled life? Yes, they began settled life in later Vedic period. Okay, after the invention of iron and the agriculture production was increased, they began to settle there. Okay, yes, what is the next point? Gods like Indra and Varuna were worshipped. In which period gods like Indra and Varuna were worshipped? Yes, it was in Rigvedic period. Painted graveyards were used. It was in later Vedic period. In later Vedic period, painted graveyards were used. Okay. We have one more question in Let's Assess from this portion. The question is to compare and contrast the social life of the Rigvedic period with that of the later Vedic period. Okay, that is the question. We have to compare the life of both the periods. Okay, let's see. The period between 1500 BC and 600 BC is known as Vedic period, in which the period between 1500 BC and 1000 BC is known as the Rigvedic period, and the period between 1000 BC and 600 BC is known as the later Vedic period. Okay, cattle rearing was a main occupation during the Rigvedic period. People were also engaged in agriculture. The main crop was barley. The groups of Aryans who reared cattle were known as the tribes, and the chieftain was known as Rajan. Battles were fought among different Aryan tribes as well as between the Aryans and the non-Aryans for the possession of cattle. With the help of horses and the weapons made of copper and bronze, the Aryans conquered the non-Aryan and captured their cattle. The subjugated people were known as Dasas or Dasyus. Gods such as Indra, Varuna, and Agni and goddesses like Aditi and Ushas were worshipped during the Rigvedic period. Grey pottery, known as greyware, were used during the Rigvedic period. During the later Vedic period, people moved to more favorable places and started settled life. The invention of harder metals like iron helped them in the agriculture, and the agriculture production was also increased. They began to exchange surplus products, and this led in trade. The earthware in this period is known as painted greyware. As they began settled life, the society was divided into four based on their occupations, which is known as Chadur Varnya. During the later Vedic period, yagas became important, in which animal sacrifice was involved on a large scale. Okay, this was a comparison between Rigvedic period and the later Vedic period. Okay, dear friends, that's all for now. The rest of this chapter will be given in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.